Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Pump prices are going up tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost $1.45 more. The increase takes the price to an all-time high in Jamaica. Automotive diesel is up $1.96 and low sulfur diesel is up $1.59. The prices of those two are also at record levels. Kerosene will increase by $1.70. Propane will cost $1.99 more, and butane is also up by $2.41. Retailers, of course, will add their respective markups to these prices. And crude futures are up 19 cents to $74.33 a barrel. That's still within sight of Tuesday's 3.5-year high, which settled above $75 a barrel. The U.S. market will not have a settlement price due to the U.S. Independence Day holiday. Meanwhile, the Iranian president yesterday appeared to threaten to disrupt oil shipments from neighboring states if Washington continued to press all countries to stop buying Iranian oil. Moody's Investors Services has changed its outlook on the rating of the Digicel Group from stable to negative. It has assigned a fresh negative outlook to Digicel International Finance Limited. At the same time, Moody's affirmed Digicel's junk rating from Ba2 to B2. In a statement issued from Moody's New York headquarters, analysts said the change in outlook to negative reflects Digicel's ongoing high leverage. The analysts also said that the downgrade reflects the reduced runway available to the company to simultaneously improve its fundamental credit profile and address its large looming debt maturities. There's a greater call for more public bodies to participate in this year's Public Bodies Corporate Governance Competition in light of the breaches uncovered at state-run oil refinery Petrojam. The competition, which is in its second staging, is spearheaded by the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, and the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service. The focus of the competition is to help promote transparency, best practices, and good governance among public bodies. Member of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, Christopher Zaka, argued that the competition is needed to limit the recurrence of what happened at Petrojam.
The reality is, though, that for decades in Jamaica, there has been less than sound good governance practices within many public sector bodies. The winners of the award last year were, of course, one of many or several commendable exceptions, and a number of, I think, leaders of exceptions are here today, which I mentioned. The current issues, however, surrounding the governance of Petrojam and its oversight by the Ministry of Energy brings into sharp focus the critical need for the complete overhaul of how public bodies are governed in this country.
In the meantime, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service, Favour Williams, says the competition will assist government with helping to keep public bodies transparent and accountable.
We're going to encourage as many public bodies as we can to sign on, to be a part of this process, because it can only help them, help the public bodies, help government, help the people of Jamaica if we embrace this whole notion of transparency, accountability, fairness in everything that we do. That's what the Jamaican people are requiring of us, that we manage the resources of the country in an open and transparent way, that there's no unfairness, that there's equity.
In currency trading, the US dollar closed the day at $130.46. The Canadian dollar is going for $99.42. The pound is being sold for $172.74, while the euro is going for $152.94 on average. The JSE index gained 1,066 points today to close at more than 305,000 points. The junior index also gained by 15 points. Among the winners were 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Caribbean Cement Company, Derrimon Trading, Express Catering, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, Lasco Distributors, and Proven Investments. On the losing side were Access Financial Services, Siboney Group, Dolphin Cove, Elite Diagnostics, G West Corporation, Jamaica Broilers, Kingston Wharves, Mayberry Investments, and NCB Financial Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.